Hi everyone, welcome back to Captain Mac's Aviation Insights. Take a seat with me in the cockpit and join me on the approach and landing into Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Arriving from the north, just across the Atlantic Ocean, with radar vectors for RNAV approach runway 07. The RNAV approach is in memory on the famous Jamaican sprinter using Bose, and two waypoints are named like this famous guy, USAIN and Bose. Flying along the coastline, and we already cleared to the waypoint USAIN, enjoying the amazing landscape, mountains close to the coastline, the Bay Area. The autopilot goes off now to enjoy a little bit manual flying and to keep up flying skills as well.
2,500.
Radio altimeter alive, caused by the terrain here below us. Now we're approaching the final descent point, which is the second name, Bose, 2,300 feet minimum here, and turning on the final track to align with the center line runway 07. The weather is pretty nice, sunny, almost close to sunset. The sun is behind us, so we have an amazing straightforward view to Montego Bay here, and runway straight ahead now.
1,000.
We are fully stabilized now. We may continue the approach. According to our company regulation, we must be stabilized. Gear down, landing configuration and speed.
100 above. Minimum.
Very smooth touchdown on the touchdown zone. We applied full reverse because of the high outside air temperature of more than 30 degrees centigrade. There's one exit here, but we continue to Taxiway Alpha to slow down gently for passenger comfort as well, to save the brakes a little bit. Exit via Alpha, and then we have to taxi back all the way down to the main apron. The expected parking stand today is number 17, which is not occupied. That's pretty good. Especially if there are a lot of cruise ships in Montego Bay. The airport is overcrowded and sometimes you have to wait until your gate is available. But today there's not that much traffic. Hurry up a little bit. The beach is waiting already, so no time to waste. Left-right combination, and then another left turn into the final parking stand next to Virgin Atlantic. I think it's a 787. So the wing walkers on the left and right hand side, and just straight ahead the marshal to guide us into the parking stand and to give us a stop sign. I hope you enjoyed this very quick movie into the sunshine. I'd like to thank you for watching Captain Max, and please subscribe us for more content. Thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye and cheerio.